क्या बोल रहा है सच्ची? यस
माँ, मेरा 12th कॉमर्स का रिजल्ट आ गया और मैं फर्स्ट डिवीजन में पास हुआ हूँ।
वेरी गुड।
पापा, मेरा भी 10th का रिजल्ट आ गया और मैं भी फर्स्ट डिवीजन में पास हो गई।
हमारे बच्चों का 10th का रिजल्ट तो आ चुका है, तो हमें ऐसा क्या करना चाहिए भविष्य के लिए?
ऐसा कौन सा कोर्स या डिग्री है जो हमारे बच्चों का करियर बना दे, हमारे बजट में हो और साथ ही उनको 100% जॉब की गारंटी भी दे?
मुझे तो इंटरनेशनल करियर बनाना है।
मैंने कुछ सर्च कर रखा है।
International Institute of Aviation and Hotel Management, providing government-approved diploma after 10th, leading to government-approved degree in BBA in Air Travel Management and BBA in Hotel Management, giving student a career in international 5-star hotels, resorts and airports.
IIHM इंडिया का एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूट है जो 3 साल की डिग्री के साथ आपको 1.5 साल का इंटरनेशनल एक्सपीरियंस देता है।
IIHM is partnered with NSDC, Skill India and Gujarat Tourism, as well as for degree program at ITM Vocational University, Vadodara, which helps students in getting better future.
During BBA course, students will go for practical training in Dubai, Mauritius, Malaysia, USA hotels and airports.
IIHM has dedicated and experienced professors in the field of aviation, air hostess training and hotel management courses. IIHM prepares professionals for tomorrow. There are classroom sessions by experienced and qualified faculty and multiple labs to equip the students with industry required skills like food and beverage lab, grooming lab, mock airbus and more, which provide students with practical training and hands-on experience.
There's a big mystery for every parent and every student to say what to choose after 10th and 12th, and having a job security, and that's only makes our courses attractive. We have a management course which will provide you 100% job. We are having a degree courses in the hotel management. We have a diploma courses for the 10th children who can do a degree later on the same, and also we have a degree courses in aviation and tourism also, which makes you capable to find the appropriate job in the airport, in the 5-star hotels, or in the corporate world, in the retail world, in the cruise liners. There's an endless opportunity.
मेरे बेटे ने यहाँ से BBA in एविएशन किया है IIHM में से, और इसके रिगार्डिंग मैं यहाँ के डायरेक्टर तन्वी मैम से मिली थी और उन्होंने मुझे बहुत अच्छा गाइड किया था, और दिस इज़ अ बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म। और मेरी बेटी को 6 महीने में पहली बार इंटर्नशिप के लिए मॉरिशस गई है। वहाँ से एज पर यहाँ तन्वी मैम ने जैसे बताया था कि एयरपोर्ट पिकिंग से लेके फूड एकोमोडेशन और सारी सर्विसेज बहुत अच्छी उसको प्रोवाइड हुई है, और बहुत कंफर्ट जोन में है। वहाँ पे F&B में डिपार्टमेंट में है, बहुत अच्छा अर्न भी कर रही है और बहुत अच्छा लर्न भी कर रही है। लर्निंग और अर्निंग दोनों अच्छी हो रही है। उसका बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस रहा है अभी तक का।
We at IIHM intend to prepare the professionals for tomorrow. We are part of National Skill Development Corporation, Government of India, as well as ITM Vocational University. We intend to prepare our students on skill-based training, not only theory-based. And each of our students gets an international opportunity and international training opportunity at Dubai, Mauritius, Malaysia, New Zealand and US hotels and airports. This international training prepares them according to the international job market.
मेरा सन बिहार में दुबई में है, वो हाउसकीपिंग के जॉब में रहे और वहाँ
अच्छे से काम सीख रहा है। IIHM में आने से उसकी पर्सनालिटी बहुत और उसके कामकाज में भी बहुत इम्प्रूव है और यहाँ ही आने के बाद उसने ये सब यहाँ की ट्रेनिंग की वजह से वो बाहर परफेक्टली कर पा रहा है और यहाँ एडमिशन लेने से मुझे संतुष्ट भी है। मतलब मुझे और एक ये है कि आने वाले समय में हमारे बच्चे का फ्यूचर ब्राइट हो तो अच्छे से अच्छी प्रॉपर्टी में यहाँ इनके थ्रू जाए, ऐसी हमारी अपेक्षा है।
English has been globally accepted as an international language. Most countries are comfortable with this because they needed a common language to interact with each other, especially in the hospitality, tourism and trade industry. Business all over the world is conducted in this language, which has made it the best choice all over the world.
IIHM is a part of NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation under Government of India. This program gives an opportunity to learn a certificate course in different hotel management subjects, and it is free of cost. I teach students about guest service in hospitality industries like airlines and hotels. Good guest service is all about bringing your customer back happy enough to pass positive feedback, and we train our students for that.
I have completed FLB certification course by NSDC, Government of India from ITM and IIHM. After completing this course, I get training placement at Radisson Blu, Dubai. I thank IIHM and ITM for guiding me. Thank you.
We at IIHM focus more on making our students job ready. So we personally train them for job interviews, and we also teach them to make their resumes, which is the reflection of their qualification and experience. We have successfully placed over 3,000 students in 4 and 5-star properties in different countries like Dubai, Qatar, Malaysia, Mauritius, New Zealand and United States of America. IIHM makes sure that the students who are enrolled with us gets 100% international placements.
I am studying second year of BBA in Hotel and Tourism Management. In first year, I got opportunity for go abroad for 6 months in Santi Mauritius, Soden Spa in Mauritius. Training at international level improved my knowledge and made confident.
I am currently pursuing 3 years of BBA in Hotel Management. I have completed my 6 months of internship at Bayview Hotel. I have worked there for food and beverage department and a front office department. It is located in Georgetown, Penang, Malaysia. I have recently started my USA internship for 1 year.
थोड़ा सा ऑयल लेना है, सॉल्ट देना है, अपना ऑयल का जब प्रिपेयर करते हो फ्लैम जाकर देखना होगा। तो फ्लैम में करने के लिए कॉम्बिनेशन जो है वो ऑयल के साथ मॉइस्चर कांटेक्ट में आता है, तब ये होता है। थोड़ा हाई फ्लेम, जो पहले बताया ऑयल लेके सॉटे करना स्टार्ट करें। थोड़ा सा वेजिटेबल डालना, लेट इट हीट, ऑयल को हीट होने दो। अच्छे से प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज ज्यादा देते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ बुकिश नॉलेज। इस वजह से हमारा जो मॉड्यूल स्टडी मॉड्यूल है उसमें भी 6 महीने का स्टडी है और 6 महीने का इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम है। और इसी वजह से जो 6 महीने का स्टडीज होता है इधर, उसको भी प्रैक्टिकली हम फोकस स्टूडेंट पे ज्यादा करें, इसीलिए हमारे यहाँ बच्चे जॉब के लिए रेडी टू गो रहते हैं।
I have done my hotel management and also get the opportunity from Mauritius at Soden Spa.
So guys, today we are going to study about how to serve a wine. you guys know how important F&B service is in the industry. Yes. So whenever we hold a bottle of wine, we hold it like a baby. We hold it like this so that when you present it to the guest, the label of the wine is visible, right? The label, the name and the manufacturing date of the wine is visible, right? And whenever you open the wine, make sure that you present the wine to the guest first, the host, and make sure the wine bottle doesn't touch the glass. Okay? You swirl it, so see the color temperature, and then you swirl. Yeah? By this time, see the color, swirl it a little, just put it in the eye, and then smile. That is how you check a wine. Here at AAIHM, I am glad that I get to teach the students here, both from the aviation and hotel management, how to serve in F&B, as it is a very poor department and a part of hotel operations. And they get to learn here both in the international and national service standards about the industry, about the F&B industry, and also when they go out and start their jobs, they don't hesitate and they don't feel shy about how to be working with this international standards. So we make sure at the college that they are aware of all the standards, both internationally and nationally, and how to
The industry is a glamorous industry consisting of airlines and hotels. In both industries, personality development is very important. Grooming is not only about your dressing sense or physical appearance. It's about your overall behavior and how you carry and conduct yourself in public. Any student who is willing to join this industry can achieve his or her goal through our training program.
In aviation, what is utmost important for us is our guests, the passengers. And for that, we need to take care of their safety first. And the most hazardous component is the overhead luggage cabin. We need to really make sure it's closed properly. And if we need to help the guest, we have to make sure of our safety as well. So when you're lifting a luggage, if it's a heavy luggage, kindly bend your knees and then make sure that you put the luggage carefully and the safety of the passengers is assured as well. And the cabinet is closed properly and latched correctly. Understood?
Yes.
Can you please say the bed? Very good. Indian civil aviation industry is experiencing growth like never seen before. Airlines are entering into Indian markets, and these airlines would require well-trained ground staff and air hostesses. We at IIAHM have experienced faculty, and we believe in practical training in all aviation subjects, as well as personality development and soft skill training.
और अगर हॉस्पिटैलिटी और एविएशन ट्रेनिंग के बाद जॉब की बात करें तो विश्व स्तर में 5 में से 1 ट्रैवल एंड होटल मैनेजमेंट सेक्टर में है। यही नहीं, 2028 तक इंडिया में 53 लाख जॉब्स केवल इस सेक्टर में अवेलेबल होंगी। एंड विद मोर जॉब्स इन दिस सेक्टर, प्रोफेशनल्स इन हॉस्पिटैलिटी मैनेजमेंट विल बी एबल टू गेट बेटर जॉब्स एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन द फ्यूचर।
I am Jay.
I am Jazz. And we have successfully finished our training at IIAHM in Aviation and Hotel Management.
Right now, I am working at Dubai Airport as ticketing desk executive.
I am working at Mauritius as Management Associate in 5-star resort. We are learning and earning at the same time.
इनके जैसे हमने 3000 स्टूडेंट्स को ट्रेन एंड ट्रांसफॉर्म किया है and we have given them international placement like countries Dubai, New Zealand, USA, Qatar, Malaysia and Mauritius. We provide the training in such a way that students gain their confidence and the job skills. We are the #1 institute of India because we make the students job ready with proper degree certification.
Aviation and hotel industry is increasing worldwide due to the rapid economic growth as well as the increasing tourism. This means it will have millions of job opportunities in airline and hotels worldwide. On behalf of IIAHM team, I welcome all of the students to be part of this exciting career and pursue this training.
तो क्या आप एक आकर्षक और इंटरनेशनल करियर चाहते हैं? So why wait? Join IIAHM.